Hey guys, this is Simon, and this is a very exciting unboxing for me. This is my first time with lots of these things, so let's get into it. Here we go, cool card, pretty neat. Receipt, I am quite excited. Puzzle, and that appears to be everything. Cool. This is my first Angstrom, and my first polymer coated, and my first magnetic 3x3. Yeah, that's a lot of new things for me, so let's just get right into it. This is also like my first modern 3x3 since I took a really long break. And yeah, I've been using a Moyu Weilong V1 for ages now, so it's really exciting to finally get a new cube. And yeah, it's stickerless, which I'm kind of excited for. So right away, oh wow. Yeah, so this is actually engraved, it feels like. Yeah, it's really cool. But yeah, let's do some first turns. Oh yeah. You can tell the magnets are there. That's really cool. Wow, that feels really nice. So yeah, looking into the cube, I don't know how well you can see this, but you can actually see there's like a coating on it. I'm gonna do it on the white side. Yeah, you can see it right there. Wow, so performance right out of the box is amazing. This is obviously gonna be my main. Like, this is far superior than any cube I've had in quite a while. Yeah, that's just boogies. It's actually less fast than I expected. This is probably slower than my version 1, but that thing is super old, super broken in, and like no lube in it, so it just kind of flies. Yeah, but the magnets are not too strong. It doesn't feel like there's much magnets in it. I've only had a magnetic 2x2 in Megaminx, and the 2x2 has a lot stronger magnets than this one, but I kind of like how this one feels. So it just feels like I'm not really doing any extra work to like move the layer. I can feel it snap in when I move slowly, but other than that, it doesn't really affect my turning, which is nice. That's my goal. I just want it to help with accuracy, and it definitely is doing that for me. Those are no lockups there, doing any of those algorithms. Feeling, I actually don't know what the normal one feels like, but I tried at competitions, tried the magnetic ones, like Antoine Cataine's, his main back in the day was a magnetic one of these boys, but this one is super smooth. So I'm guessing that's what the polymer does. Yeah, I'm super happy. The shades are cool. No complaints here. It's a great buy. Yeah, so this is my unboxing. I'm gonna do a bunch of solves, probably get into 3x3 a bit more, and then let you know what I think after that. Peace.